Ulibka, mornings set the tone for your whole day, but what if your AI handled them for you? Howza, imagine waking up, and your assistant already prepared your to-do list, summarized your emails, and planned your content for the day. Udivlani, all before your first coffee. Howza, in this video, I'll show you how to build your personal AI morning dashboard, using Notion, ChatGPT, and Zapier. Serezno, you'll see how data connects, tasks, ideas, and goals, all updated automatically. Ulibka, you just wake up, open one page, and you're ready to crush the day. Howza, no stress, no clutter, just flow. Vidanovlaus, by the end, you'll have a system that literally thinks for you every morning, so you can focus on creating, not planning.